This is a toothpick I made out of a horseshoe nail. See? But how I made it is I stuck it in the vise, lengthwise, I guess. And then I put it in and I tighten it down, just a little bit off the base. And then I tap it over. It doesn't matter what way you start with, because it's all gonna be look the same mostly anyways. Then I lift it up after I get it tapped over enough. And I lift it up, and then I tap it over the other way, because if you just keep tapping it over the same way, the curves are all going to go the same way. And then you're going to alternate after every tap. And what you're doing is setting a set of curves in there. That was not enough tap. And then right now, it looks like this. So what we're gonna do is we're going to take it over to the anvil over here. Then we're gonna make sure the camera can see. Then we're going to flatten it out. See, it's straight. Before it was a little warped. Then I'm going to get a pair of pliers, because the vibrations will hurt your fingers a little. Then I'm going to get a pair of pliers and hold it like this. And then I'm just going to hammer the head flat. If you bend it, it's okay. You can always bend it back. And then you want to get it roughly the same thickness as the one that starts going into the head. And I like to tap a little bit on where it goes into the head too, because then it'll all sort of look the same. But now you have a bent horseshoe nail with a flat head. And then the next step is going to be filing. Which is just kind of hard to see from that angle, I think, but let's see if I can find a spot to put this. Now, I gotta check the angle. Yeah, it's gonna be kind of hard to see, for you guys to see, but maybe. Yeah, it's not focusing, but then I like to get a Sharpie, and you can't see it on this side, but I put lines on, then I go up, and those are guidelines, so I know where not to file past. Then I take a file, and then I file into it. The camera is going to vibrate a lot. Actually, I'm not going to do the filing on camera, but then you just file it until it looks like here. And